Tatiguda WaterFalls is a sheer beauty nestled in the Anantagiri village of Araku. Just like the many enchanting waterfalls in this region, Tatiguda is a lovely spot for families and friends looking for a peaceful escape. Situated approximately 3,100 feet above sea level, Tatiguda waterfalls fall from 100 feet in a breathtaking display of nature's elegance. Renowned among trekking enthusiasts, this waterfall offers a spectacular view with towering rocks on one side and lush green fields on the other. From the Tatiguda viewpoint, visitors can witness the panoramic landscapes along with glimpses of the waterfall. They have to descend to the foot of the waterfall, where the flowing water over rocks invites them to take a refreshing bath and feel the breeze. These waterfalls are surrounded by step-up farming fields, which create a captivating landscape and offer an immersive experience in the lap of nature. Discover the enchantment of Tatiguda waterfalls, a wonderful combination of natural beauty and peace that invites you to relax and connect with the clean surroundings.